Hey lovelies, welcome to another episode of Stella's Favorite Things. How are you? Okay, I know that when you see me and I'm wearing big hair, you know what I'm going to talk about today. I'm talking about Mercy's hair extensions today. And guys, you know me, I have had this beautiful relationship with Mercy's hair for over like 3-4 years now. They send me hair, I try it, I test it out, and I come back and I tell you how I feel about it. So I got this one recently and it's called the Mongolian Kinky Curly 3B3C. This is beautiful hair. Okay guys, beautiful hair. I have 3 bundles and a full frontal. It's 22 inches. I think I have one 22 inches, 2 24 inches and a 16-inch frontal, and I made it into a unit, which I'm wearing right now. So now guys, I love big hair. That's why I'm wearing 3 bundles, but you do not need 3. You just need 2 bundles and a frontal or a closure and you're good to go. So before I get too excited, let me just show you what came in the mail, how the original hair looks, because what I have on is the hair, but I did a Bantu knot. I didn't use any rollers or flexi rods. It was just Bantu knots on its own. And then I took it down, and this is 2 days after taking down the Bantu knots. But I want to show you the exact natural look of the hair. And when I come back, this unit will look totally different. And you will know exactly what I mean. I'll be right back.
If you love me, why won't you tell me so? You're telling everybody, but you're never telling me. If you love me, why won't you tell me so? You're telling everybody, but you're never.
I'm back, and yes, I promised you I would come back, and this is the same hair, guys. I didn't change the wig, I didn't do nothing. I just sprayed water on it, and then I put a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and that's it, back to its original state. And that's the beauty of this hair, guys. You can actually do whatever. Flexi rods, cold rolling, Bantu knots. You can twist it, you can braid it to give you different curl patterns. You can have tons of different curl patterns on this hair, and you can actually straighten it out, wash it, and it will come back to its original state. But like I always say, if you want a straight look, get a straight wig or straight weave. Then if you want your curly look, just rock this one. That's what I always do. But this hair is versatile. The shedding is so minimal that you'll be shocked. You'll be asking yourself, are you sure I'm doing the right thing? But I love this. It's the Mongolian Kinky Curly 3B3C from Mercy's Hair Extensions. Enjoy, guys. Go look them up. Follow them on Instagram. Go to their website. See what they have. Enjoy. And hey, tell them Stella sent you, okay? Have fun, guys. See you soon.
Telling everybody, but you're never telling me of this love you have for me. If you must love me quick. This kind of love, I never see the kind. Sweeting me small, but hurting me the more. This kind of love